Hello everyone, welcome to SkillWeb. Today we will discuss securing your Google Form to control access and responses. So begin by opening the Google Form you want to secure. Now go for Settings. To control the number of responses, click on Limit to one response or set a custom limit to restrict the number of responses. Consider collecting email addresses to ensure respondents provide valid information and to avoid spam or unwanted responses. For more control, use prefilled URLs to pre-populate certain fields and ensure specific responses. While Google Prompts may not have a direct lock feature, utilizing these settings enhance security. Stay tuned for more informative tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.